on April 29, 2026, hundreds of people railing in solidarity to justify Datuk Seri Abdul Rashid Ghafur, whom is the Bank Negara Malaysia Governor since 1st July of 2023. So having a leader that need to think for the Malaysian financial stability, there will be a four prime factor that should enhance the Malaysian financial stability. First, we may take a look on economic outlook. He has recently revised that Malaysian 2026 growth projection upward to 4% until 5%, citing resilient household and spending to steady tourism. From my notes yesterday, I have been putted the projection for the Malaysian economy by is at 4%. On second point, the inflation and energy, he noted that Malaysia's low inflation environment helped the nation withstand the global energy shock caused by the international conflict. Recently, we have been getting a slight different in prices in terms of oil and gas and cut food. Due to the closing of the Arabian Bay. On third point, the monetary constituents, he has consistently emphasized that the ringgit is moving in a direction that reflects Malaysian strong economic fundamentals. However, upon yesterday incident, he has been disappointed with the concurrent question made by the other public figures regarding the current economic situation. And for the last point is the financial literacy. He recently launched a multi-agency initiative to combat scam and improve financial literacy among Malaysians. This is to ensure that there are three types of scam. First, there are impersonation. The scammer have created fake sites designed to look at the star to spread false information. Second, there will be a false content. This article often features a fabricated interview between the governor and other public figures. And on third point, there should be clarity, verification. So one may need to check the URL to ensure that it is official, the star.com.my domain, before trusting or sharing any news. So by last this week,